So the family decided to take a little paddle down in the cypress trees, and we went down to Stephensville. I'm from Morgan City, which is right near Stephensville, but I've never ridden through there in a kayak. So I had been down there looking, scouting for some bass for an online tournament I was doing, and I noticed all these beautiful bald eagles, and could hear them in the woods, watched them fly around, checked them out, and thought I would go back with my good camera and my kids and have some fun. It was a really easy paddle, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. I mean, you look at the video and see the big, lush, thick, old cypress trees. They still exist in this part of Louisiana, and it's really cool to see. And I hope you enjoy the video. We were able to locate some beautiful bald eagles. I brought my camera and we took a couple pictures, and you'll see that in a minute. We found some mature ones. We found some juveniles. So it's a good time. If you ever get the chance again, come on down to Stephensville and check out part of ancient cypress forest in Louisiana. Thanks for watching.